For water. Just now I put 3 times, but I didn't make a YouTube yet. I'm good at cutting. Don't ever think I'm bad at cutting. I am good at food. I'll never cut my hand. There's my hand. Yes!
Enough. Okay. One more.
Another one. Do another one, then we are done with. Put it like this and like that. Give me a chair. Ooh, so much in there. Have you guys used to use a blender when you were a kid or you're 7 years old? Because I never used it before and I'm asking you how to use. Is this for me or for my sister?
Is it yummy?
Get some for my sister. I have a sister that wants some. So I'm gonna buy some for my sister. Yeah, I love my sister. So I'm gonna get some too. Sister, I'm done.